Hello, everyone. I welcome you all to today's session. It is 8 a.m., which means it is time for your daily dose of vocabulary with me. The session is going to be under 10 minutes, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit on that tiny bell near it so that every day when this session comes, you all get notified. With that being said, let's start the session and let's discuss the first word for today. The first word that we're going to discuss today is reaffirm. Reaffirm means to state something again strongly to emphasize that it is still true. So, you're trying to say something again and again, and you're laying a lot of emphasis on that thing because you believe that it is still true and it still needs everybody's importance on them and everybody's attention on that particular thing. Here you could see in this image in 2020, one person was discussing the problems that the world is facing, and again, they're emphasizing on them again in 2024 because these problems still exist. Okay, the sentence here says, we reaffirm our commitment to carry on taking such steps in the future in accordance with this desire. So we reaffirm that our commitment is still there and we still believe what we believed back then, that there are certain problems that are still prevailing in our society, right? For India, let's say we have the problem of unemployment and it's a very big issue. Okay, so unemployment is one of the problem. It was still a issue back then and we still believe that in today's India also this is a very big issue for us. The synonyms here are maintain, reassert, defend, insist, and assert. The antonyms here are abandon, reject, and negative. Next word for us is decipher. Decipher means to succeed in reading or understanding something that is not clear. So you succeed in reading something which is not very clear to other people and to you also. Here you could see in the image that there is some secret message written through these dots which somebody is trying to read. So they're trying to decipher that thing. The sentence here says it is impossible to decipher his handwriting because his handwriting is very bad. So it is very difficult to know or understand what he has written. The synonyms are crack, translate, break, decode, solve, decrypt. And antonyms here are encode, code, and cipher. Okay. Next word for us is enact. Enact means to pass a law. Simple. The sentence here says the regulators failed to enact proper reforms because the regulators were not able to pass particular proper laws or proper reforms. The country is still in not a very good state. The synonyms here are pass, constitute, legislate, and approve, and the antonyms here are repeal, revoke, and resigned. Next word for us is evoke. Evoke means to produce a memory, feeling, etc. in somebody. So you're trying to make somebody remember some feeling which was there, some memory in somebody. For here we have the sentence, for me that music always evokes hot summer evenings. So whenever I listen to this kind of music, the hot summer memories come back to me. The synonyms here are elicit, inspire, raise, and reveal. The antonyms here are forget, ignore, miss, and disregard. Next word for us is impunity. Impunity means if a person does something bad. With impunity, if that person has impunity, they do not get punished for what they have done or they have freedom from punishment, harm, or loss. So if somebody has impunity, they won't be punished if they have done something wrong here. This is what the word impunity means. Or you could say this impunity means you get a freedom from any kind of punishment. The sentence here says, if this war is allowed to pass with impunity, these will be the consequences. The synonyms here are immunity, protection, exemption, and the antonyms here are liability and exposure. Next word for us is flaw. This was the word that I asked you in the previous session. It means mistake in something that makes it not good enough. So there's a mistake in something because of which it's not good enough anymore. Or it means it does not function as it should. Here, the image will make it very clear. We have a bell here, it's broken here. So when this bell is flawed or it is broken, it won't function in the way it is supposed to function or how it used to function before, which is now it won't be very good. Here the sentence says there are some flaws in her arguments. There are some mistakes in her argument. The synonyms here are defects, scars, blotches, and faults. Here blotches is different and I'll star mark that one. The antonyms here are enhancement and ornament. Next, we have the word for the day, and you're going to tell me the meaning of this particular word in the comment section. Make sure to participate. With that, we come to an end of this session. And if you did like this session, make sure to hit the like button. In the comment, answer the word that I asked. And if you have any other kind of feedback, make sure to mention that as well. And lastly, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. With that, I'll end the session here. Thank you for watching.